What if for one entire day, no one on Earth could tell a single lie? No white lies, no exaggerations, no little deceptions, just raw, unfiltered honesty. Would society crumble or would it thrive? Think about how often you bend the truth. Your cooking is great when it's not. I'm almost there when you're still getting ready. Or even I'll call you later, knowing you won't. But what if suddenly no one could say anything except the absolute truth? From relationships and business to politics and law enforcement, this could shake the world to its core. Before we dive into what would happen, let's understand why humans lie in the first place. You see, lying isn't just a bad habit, it's deeply wired into our biology. A study published in Nature Neuroscience found that multiple brain regions are involved in lying. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for decision-making, the amygdala processes emotions, and the limbic system helps us suppress the truth. Interestingly, our brains find it easier to lie over time. The more we do it, the less guilty we feel. Scientists call this emotional adaptation. In short, our brain desensitizes itself to dishonesty. A 2016 study by University College London found that people who lie repeatedly show reduced amygdala activity, meaning they feel less emotional discomfort with each lie. But if one day all of this wiring suddenly shut off, no more lies, what would actually happen? If every human being on the planet had to be 100% truthful for a full day, the effects would be dramatic. Let's break it down.
How do I look today?
Honestly, a bit tired and out of shape.
Oof, that one's gonna sting. We often tell white lies to avoid hurting others, but what if those tiny, harmless lies disappeared? A study from the University of Notre Dame found that people who told fewer lies experienced less stress and better health. But it also showed that brutal honesty can damage relationships. In some cases, a little kindness disguised as a white lie isn't such a bad thing.
To be honest, half of you could be replaced by AI.
And to be honest, sir, nobody respects you.
Ouch. Without the usual corporate diplomacy, workplaces would be in total disarray. A 2016 Princeton study found that 81% of people lie during negotiations to gain advantage. If lying stopped, salaries might be more fair, but office politics would explode. Honest marketing would mean no more exaggerated claims, but it might also ruin sales.
To be honest, we don't have a plan for fixing the economy.
Then why did you promise it last week, sir?
I needed votes.
Can you imagine a world where politicians must tell the truth? No more false campaign promises, no more dodging questions. An article titled "Rising Epidemic of Political Lying" discusses the increasing prevalence of dishonesty in politics and its impact on public trust. Would people respect the honesty or would it cause total chaos?
Did you commit the robbery?
Yeah, it was me.
If criminals had to be truthful, solving cases would take minutes instead of months. A study in psychological science found that lying requires cognitive effort and that truth-telling is actually the brain's default state. If nobody could lie, our justice system might be revolutionized. Cases would close faster, but would we also lose the right to personal privacy? So, would a world without lies be paradise or chaos? Here's the breakdown. Stronger personal relationships, more transparency in business and politics, faster crime resolution, more hurt feelings. Marketing and business could collapse. Some necessary secrets would be lost. Lying isn't always bad. It's a survival tool we've evolved to use wisely. Perhaps instead of wishing for a world without lies, we should focus on using honesty where it truly matters. What do you think? Could you handle 24 hours where everyone told the absolute truth? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy what-if scenarios, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Snap.